about some easy DIY gifts. Okay, so what do you got set up for us this time, Heather?
Okay, so because of the quarantine and because maybe you didn't shop early enough for Valentine's Day, I'm going to show you how to make two things really quick. So the first one is a bubble bath, and all you're going to need is some liquid Castile soap, and I got this at Whole Foods, and I actually just got the rose scented one because, you know, it's Valentine's Day. So what you want to do is you want to put some of that in a container, and then you want to put a couple of squirts of vegetable glycerin. This is going to help you get the extra bubbles. And then you can use some of your favorite essential oil. And if you really want to get in the Valentine's Day spirit, you can add some dried rose petals. Mix it up. I'm like, whoa.
That's okay. You recover well.
Put it in a container, and then you can give it as a gift with a little poof. And there you go.
Oh, I love it. And these are all simple items that you can find just at any of your area stores, Heather.
Yeah, and as far as the next one that I'm going to show you, the massage oil, probably already have it in your kitchen, so you could probably make that right away.
Oh, I love it. Please, pray tell, show us.
Okay, so for the massage oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use sunflower oil, coconut oil, or you can do a blend. I like the way the blend feels on the skin. I do not recommend using olive oil or cooking oil. And believe it or not, I get asked that question a lot. So I like to do a blend of avocado oil. So I'll just show you the oils. And then I like to use jojoba oil. This is so good for your skin. And then I also like to use the coconut oil. And I got all of these containers, by the way, at Whole Foods. Secret Weapon, vitamin E.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And then I like to add a little grape seed oil.
And you know, Heather, we talked about these. These are oils that actually penetrate your skin. That's why they're so good. They just don't sit on top of your skin.
Exactly. Very hydrating. You can actually use these on your face as well if you're having a really dry face or your lips. So after you mix the oils, you just put in your essential oil. Mix it up and you're good to go. You can put it in a cute container, put a little Valentine's label on it if you want to. And if you really want to have fun on Valentine's Day, you can add some flavoring to it as well.
Oh, well, I see. Well, you definitely know how to deliver and get us all the good DIY stuff, Heather. Before we wrap up.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, my gosh, yeah. But before we wrap up, tell us quickly about what's going on with you over there at Beauty Kitchen.
Well, we have a lot going on. We are inside the Sparkles Beauty Bars. If you are in Summerlin, downtown Summerlin, stop by, check us out. And what we're really excited about is you can go to our website. You can now do a full scan of your skin, and it will tell you your skin scores and also recommend products to you right from the comfort of your home and iPhone, which I think is wonderful because this pandemic isn't going anywhere, and can't get samples and recommendations at many places right now.
Well, it's good when you can do it from the comfort and ease of your home. I agree with that.
Yeah, right from your bed in your pajamas.
Yes, Ms. Heather Marianna, always great to have you, my dear. And we will put all the information so that people can get it on our sister station's website, news3lv.com. It's good to have you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Have a great day.